For some of our most vulnerable neighbors, COVID-19 pushed them further into isolation. The pandemic prompted adult daycare and senior centers to close. As News 5's Tanisha Cordell tells us, a new program in Oberlin is trying to fill the void for seniors.
Lorain County hardly has any senior centers, and this was one of them. Since it's closed, Oberlin's seniors haven't really had anywhere to go. The Neighborhood Alliance Group, though, working to fix that. Its new mobile senior center filling the void. They're a small,
and also, just so you know, we're not having the sandwiches today.
Witty, tight-knit group.
I hang out with those old folks.
More than that,
Wait a minute. Bingo, I think.
their family.
We had such a good time.
A connection Elyria Holloway cherishes.
Having other people in my life means a lot to me.
Just shy of her 79th birthday, she has spent the last 20 years alone.
I do a lot of telephoning.
And last year, COVID pushed her further into isolation. Elyria unable to spend time with her extended family, her girls, as she calls them, who all met years ago at their old spot, the Oberlin Senior Center. The building closed last March.
We had to close it down for multiple reasons, the pandemic being one of them.
The biggest problem? Money.
For that minimal programming, it's over $100,000 a year to run that with a building. The programming itself is not the problem. The building was the problem.
Usually, city budgets cover senior center and community costs, and that's how it was in Oberlin. But eventually, the city couldn't afford it. So Neighborhood Alliance, a local community service nonprofit, took over and has been footing the bill themselves. That is until the pandemic hit, and the group couldn't afford it either. Their team worried about the long-lasting impact on clients like Elyria.
So we wanted to create a space where they could still come and enjoy that socialization and that mental health aspect of it, and really come together and have some activities that they wouldn't have otherwise.
The nonprofit's 90-day pilot program underway called the Mobile Senior Center. Their team partnering with volunteers and First Church Oberlin using their space.
It'll go on through December, and we're hoping to see the same good results that we've had over the last few weeks with it, and then, look at what we can do next year.
The program reuniting friends.
This is wonderful. We've got a senior group like no other in Lorain County.
And making life a little less lonely.
Are we happy we have a place to get back together with each other?
Well, the Mobile Senior Center will go on until December. The Neighborhood Alliance Group really taking this time to strategize and hoping to keep it around and expand the program into communities, again, without those senior centers available. If you'd like to learn more about the program and get involved, head to the News 5 app. We've got more information there. I'm Tanisha Cordell, News 5.